Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Meta Learning. Learning to learn. AI that adapts faster. Imagine you train an AI to recognize cats. It needs thousands of cat pictures. Now you want it to recognize dogs. You often have to start almost from scratch, feeding it thousands of dog pictures. This is how most traditional AI works. It learns one specific task very well. But if the task changes even slightly, it's like a brand new student. For developers, this means massive data collection for every new feature, and slow, costly deployment of AI solutions for varied problems. Think about a master chef. They don't just memorize recipes. They learn how to learn new recipes quickly. They understand ingredients, techniques, and flavors, which allows them to adapt and create new dishes with minimal effort. Meta learning gives AI this same superpower. Instead of just learning a task, like recognize cats, it learns the asterisk process of how to learn new tasks efficiently. For developers, this means building AI that can be more flexible and adaptable. In asterisk traditional machine learning, you build a model, like an app, that solves one specific problem. It's like writing a program just to calculate sales tax. If you need to calculate income tax, you often write a new, separate program. With asterisk meta learning, you're essentially building a framework or a learning library for your AI. The AI trains on many different small learning experiences, e.g., learning to distinguish apples from oranges, then cars from bikes. It's not trying to be perfect at any one, but rather learning the best strategy or initial setup to quickly learn a brand new, related task later on. It learns how to code a solution, rather than just the code for one solution. One of meta learning's biggest wins is few-shot learning. In the real world, getting thousands of examples for every new thing is often impossible. E.g., identifying a rare medical condition, a newly discovered species, or a niche product. Meta learning allows your AI to learn a new concept from just a handful of examples, sometimes as few as 1 or 5. For developers, this is a game changer. It drastically reduces data requirements, speeds up model deployment in new domains, and makes AI viable for highly specific, data-scarce applications. At a high level, a meta learner works by observing how different learner ICE perform on various small tasks. It then tries to figure out the best ways to initialize those learners, or how to quickly update their internal workings, so they can adapt faster to new, unseen tasks. Think of it as teaching an AI to recognize patterns not just in data, but in asterisk the learning process itself. It's like a coach who teaches athletes general training principles that make them better at learning any sport, rather than just specific techniques for one sport. Imagine these scenarios. 1. Personalized AI. Asterisk a smart home assistant quickly learns your unique routines and preferences after just a few interactions. 2. Robotics. Asterisk a robot learns to pick up a new, oddly shaped object after seeing only 1 or 2 demonstrations. 3. Medical imaging. Asterisk an AI trained on general X-rays can quickly adapt to identify a new, rare disease with very few patient examples. 4. Automated testing. Asterisk creating AI that can generate tests or adapt to new software interfaces much faster than traditional methods. For developers, this means building more flexible, intelligent systems that can truly adapt to dynamic real-world environments. Meta learning pushes AI beyond just performing tasks to asterisk mastering the art of learning. For developers, this opens up a new frontier. You're no longer just training models. You're designing systems that can intelligently self-adapt. This means less debugging for specific scenarios, faster iteration cycles, and the ability to deploy AI in complex, unpredictable environments. It's about moving from building static AI tools to creating dynamic, evolving AI agents that learn and improve on their own, making AI development more powerful and impactful than ever before. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.